Paperwork done, workout done. It's time to get up to the training facility, get started on training some dogs. This is going to be another Shield Canine vlog. What are we doing today? What are you guys doing? And for the record, that is not my house. That mansion over there is not my... I wish it was. It's going to be my lovely neighbors. I haven't met them yet, but I hear they're nice. All right, who do we have here? We got Zozo, Zoe, Nix. She's growing up, becoming a big girl, and Yaxie. Where's that face? Very good. No great surprise that he's not particularly good with other dogs. I know people hate to hear this, but it's very normal for the breed. Okay guys, so I just talked to the lady a little more about the dogs. It turns out he's been with a positive only trainer. They've done a lot of look at me nonsense or look at that. In the end, basically she said that over the last few months, the dog has become significantly more frustrated than he ever was. And she feels like that type of training actually made him more frustrated. Regardless, he's actually a really sweet dog. I really like him. He's very social. Don't just take that little dramatic view that we made of him and say, hey, that's the dog. No, he's actually really sweet. He lives with 3 kids. He's a great dog. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put him in our training system, and then we're gonna get him around some dogs and teach him how to behave like a gentleman. Well, focus on your dog. Don't even think about that one. Good boy. Praise him. Pet him. Good job. He's really working hard. A little he almost lost it there, and that's you just kind of watching him and managing him, helping him. Good job. Praise him. Here. Let's. Here. Let's. Here. Let's. Here. Und. Spin. Oh. Ah. Wow. Out. Enter. Goose. Nice.
I can get the response I want with him. And for me right now, anytime he looks into my eyes and checks in on me, he gets a treat.
This is Sadie. She's a puppy here for our board and train. Little mini Aussie thing. Off-leash recalls. Making a little bit of contact on the handler, but right now that's okay. We just want her exuberance. Working on that 360 control with Sadie. Good, very nice. Apprentice Aaron is going to hold the camera. That's test number 1. Now, he's not particularly dangerous as in like, he bites a little bit half-assed, so to speak, but he's really learned that whenever he feels pressure, right, on the leash, wherever, that the solution to the pressure is to neutralize the leash with his legs and then try to bite the handler. So all those things in combination, it's kind of like training a mule, you know? So anyways, we're a few weeks in with Kepler. I'm just going to go out and do basic e-collar work. His muzzle just came off. That's big because he's very wise to the muzzle. So there might come a time in our little session, even though this one's going to be a pretty easy session, where the dog says, you know, screw you, my friend, and, you know, we get into a little bit of an argument about something. A lot of what we're doing now is just teaching him, look, man, you've got to be compliant. We're asking you to do stuff, you've got to do stuff. Good boy. Sit. Break. Very good. Once we create strong fundamentals with this dog, it changes the mind of the dog. It changes the mentality of the dog. It creates a more compliant and open mindset, right? So that when we do things that he really doesn't like, grooming him to get these mats out of him and stuff like this, it'll be a whole different thing.